Hello everybody, how are we doing? It's Curtis David here coming at you with a really quick video. Obviously, I think you can tell by the title of this video, we're going to be talking about the Buy 9 to 5 Tube Monetization and Automation Program by Jordan Mackey. And for those of you who don't know who Jordan Mackey is, he is a YouTube automation influencer, we'll call him. He makes upwards of $40,000 a month just from his YouTube channels, as well as he offers a training program that is available for anybody to join, and that is what we are going to be reviewing today. As I mentioned, Jordan Mackey is a YouTube automation influencer or guru, whatever you want to call him. He has a handful of successful students, more than a handful I should say, and just to show you some proof, we're going to hop over to his Buy 9 to 5 Facebook group, where you can see he has a lot of students in here who are constantly posting, asking questions, which he does engage with every single one of them. You can see recent media. You have, different results from different people. So his students are legit. His training is very much legit. He is a pretty honest individual in comparison to other influencers or gurus who I have seen or dealt with. And if you aren't familiar, he has a student, actually a few very successful students, some known as Matt Parr, Farood, Paul Hilsey, a handful of guys who have gone above and beyond and are well over that $10,000 a month mark. But yeah, as you can see, his Facebook profile or Facebook group is a very active group, and he does interact with everybody inside the Facebook group. Catch my breath. Going back to the website now. Okay, so here we are back on the Buy 9 to 5 official website. Here you can see all of the training programs that are included. And obviously, if you aren't too sure, you can get this whole package for $297. That's $297 US. All of this is included. Obviously, if you're not familiar, his most recent training program is the Tube Monetization and Automation Program. He also includes his old webinars that you can replay. There's roughly about 20 of them. We'll actually even go through these just to show you the proof. Like I said, he does have about 20 or so of these webinars. I have watched a couple of them. Lots of insightful stuff. Tube Made Easy bonus. That's actually his first YouTube automation program course. Not as relevant now because the YouTube algorithm has changed, but it is still there if you are interested in looking at it. He also has an affiliate marketing section for anyone who is looking to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube, which is a great source of income. He also goes over Shopify dropshipping and a personal branding course as well. But we're going to go back up to the Tube Monetization Automation Program and take a look at what's inside. Holy fuck. It's hard to talk. Okay, here we are inside of the actual program. As you can see, it says resume course here, and it kind of says I did 12 of the 114 lessons. So that is a total number of how many modules or videos that are in this section or in this lesson or course. It says I've only completed 12. That is inaccurate. I have not marked them all as complete. But obviously you have a welcome bonus or a welcome introduction. Then you have many different modules, choosing your perfect niche. He goes in great detail in each and every single one of these modules. So if you do have any questions, I almost guarantee you he has an answer for you inside of his course. But moving on, he has, YouTube basics. You can just kind of read through these as we go. But again, all sorts of great information, passive monetization review, video topic research for unlimited video ideas. Great module here. It'll help you out a whole bunch if you are looking to get started. Creating and editing your videos. I never watched that because I outsourced everything from the beginning. I just kind of took the course for some extra help, but this is a lengthier module. SEO secrets and strategies for truly going viral. That's going to help you out a whole bunch, obviously. Additional monetization techniques to boost your income. That's why we're doing this, is for income. So any extra way you can boost your income is never a bad thing. He does some case studies here for you as well. Outsourcing and automation. Really big if you're looking to be hands-off. This is very, very important. Go to the next page here. It's so hard to do this. And again, here you go. You have some affiliate marketing additions if you are looking to make some money with affiliate marketing on YouTube. And then joining and navigating affiliate marketing networks. Strategies for YouTube affiliate marketing. How to increase click-through rates on your YouTube links, which is very, very important. Affiliate marketing strategies not using YouTube. And the conclusion. So that's it for what's basically included in the course. As I mentioned before, it's a lengthy course, but Jordan Mackey is a very, very, very big name in the YouTube game. Like I say, he has many successful students such as Matt Parr, Paul Hilsey, and so on. So yeah, that's just a brief rundown and review of the Buy 9 to 5 YouTube course. If you are looking to make some money online with YouTube automation, obviously the referral link will be in the description, as well as my #1 recommended way to make money online with YouTube automation. Again, this is Curtis David. I appreciate you watching the video to the end. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.